I dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
And today we're working on a 2.5 TDI Skoda, and what you're about to see is my friend bolting a throttle body on. It's not, it's an anti-shudder valve. Diesels don't have throttle bodies.
What?
Hey. Now he's down there fiddling about with the clip, but you should just bolt it on first, because it'll be a bit easier, right? Now my friend's a bit of a novice with cars. He's into the old Granadas and the old Rovers, and they weren't anything like this at all. But just bolt that in first, and then you can put the clip on afterwards.
Fucking off.
Say hello, folks.
Hello, folks.
There you go. Right, and he's at the moment stretching across the big V6. You can see it. And the problem we've got is
we've got a load of shite.
we've got a load of broken wires and all that in this. So probably the next time you'll see it, I'll have all this wires back together and sorted. Okay. So I'll cut back to you in a few minutes and I'll show you what the outcome is on that. Okay, we managed to get them wires joined, and now we don't have an engine management light. We don't have an engine management light, so we're just running it up to temperature. As you can see, Scottish weather, lovely beautiful day. As you can see a reek of smoke at the back there. Tape that up there, just a bit of insulation tape over the top of it. We've got a shrink wrap underneath it, looks lovely. Car's running without engine management light.
Yeah, still.
So problems now are windows, electric windows don't work.
Where's this bit?
Oh, that's just a loose cage. There's nothing in that. Electric windows aren't working. Just let it build temperature again now. Let it build temperature again and then give it a rev. Get a wee rev. Let it build temperature. Just take it up to about 2. Sit as if you're driving it on the motorway. What's that getting to?
That was
There you go, windows are working. Windows are working, and all it was a couple of fuses. Look, and there's Mick. Wave, Mick. Hello. Hello.
Hello there.
And there's the other window working too. And all it was a couple of fuses. Yeah, shut the bonnet. We're going to go for a test drive in the car park. Test driving in the car park. Well, it didn't even have a stereo, but now we have a stereo again. Oh, service me now, service me now. Yeah, as soon as it stops raining, we will service you.
What did you say?
I said, as soon as it stops raining, we are going to service you. We've even got back lights. It's fucking amazing. We don't have front ones, but we have back ones.
Aye.
Back ones work. But this one's, we never could understand why they don't work.
No.
I'm still recording, by the way. Right, so we're going to go driving now. And I'm scared the shit out of Mick.
If you're running it in the road.
Recording.
They back windows always did work. They were always a bit fucking intermittent.
I don't know whether to put up ramps.
It's getting a bit dark now by the time we get.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm thinking. What time is it? What time is it?
Fuck knows. Okay.
With me, darling.